A new DMS is a big decision. These dealers decided on Dealertrack and haven't looked back.
When we considered switching DMSs, it was very frightening. You work on a system every day, all day, and you know exactly where your data is. You know how to get at it. You know that it's accurate. You just take for granted that everything is going to be there and right.
It's intimidating for a lot of people to even think about, but the Dealertrack process was really well laid out and well supported, and it wasn't overwhelming or unreasonable as far as getting through it.
Dealertrack did an excellent job in recently switching us over from our previous provider. They brought in a large team into each one of our locations, gave us incredible support, both technical and psychological. I mean, quite honestly, there were some of these folks were fantastic that flew in. They really were letting some of our folks cry on their shoulder while they figured out a new way of doing things.
First week we went live, we had people from Dealertrack in every department. There was questions that would come up here and there, but they were there and readily available to answer them and work through any problems. So I think our staff felt comfortable throughout the whole process because there was someone that they could raise their hand and come to help them in the building over a month time frame.
Our teams of installation experts switch over 40 stores a month. Find out how we can help you with a smooth install.